Welcome to the Baccalaureate Degree in Nursing Capstone Practice Experience Mentor Orientation. I would like to say hello, and thank you for serving as a mentor for an Excelsior College Baccalaureate Degree in Nursing students' Capstone Practice Experience. By serving as a mentor for the students' Capstone project, you are assisting in the development of future nurse leaders. This presentation provides a brief overview of your role as mentor. The Capstone course is a culminating experience designed to provide the student with an opportunity to apply knowledge and skills acquired throughout their program of study. The focus is on achievement of end-of-program and baccalaureate-level nursing competencies. Direct patient or hands-on care is not allowed during practice experiences. As we proceed with this presentation, jot down any questions that may arise. Now, let's get to it. Your mentee Capstone student is responsible for providing you with a copy of the course syllabus, along with this presentation and mentor introduction and agreement form. The syllabus explains the course in detail, including the course objectives. The centerpiece of the course is a student-led quality improvement initiative project. The goal of this project is to provide a synthesis of learning while being of benefit to the organization. In addition, the course includes online conversations, a revision of a standard of care, practice guideline, or policy related to the Quality Improvement Initiative, a reflective journal, a presentation to the stakeholders at the organization, an executive summary of the project, and a staff development presentation for the end users of revised standard of care, practice guideline, or policy. 45 hours of direct practice experience is required. The course instructor assumes full responsibility for managing and grading the student work within the online classroom. As a mentor, your role is to facilitate student successful completion of the project. I will share more specific details as we continue. You will serve as a resource while the student is functioning within the organization. You will be assisting the student in developing a project that is consistent with the needs of the student and organization. It is your responsibility, as a mentor, to identify and maintain organizational channels of communication requirements and to facilitate access to organizational resources. You are expected to assess issues related to confidentiality, as well as determining what information can and cannot be shared, potential conflicts of interest, and provide the student with guidance in handling these types of ethical situations. The student will complete and present the Capstone project presentation to their selected group of stakeholders at your organization, no later than week 12 of the course. You are expected to review the timeline of the project to ensure dates and times are realistic and attainable. It is important to keep lines of communication open with the student and the course instructor if the need arises. You may contact the course instructor or program administration at the college for any questions, suggestions, or concerns through the email provided. There are 3 scheduled points of contact with the course instructor during the practice experience, which include contact in the beginning, midterm, and at the end of the course. The beginning contact is with this presentation, syllabus, and completion of the mentor introduction agreement form. For the midterm contact, your student will provide you with a summary of the project completion and practice experience log to date, and the mentor feedback form. The student must submit the signed forms by week 7 in the course. Towards the end of the course, your student will provide you with the final summary, practice experience log, and mentor's final feedback form. The student must submit all 3 signed forms by week 14 of the course. Your student will provide you with a written summary of the practice experience and the practice experience logs that show the hours of completed practice experience and the activities involved. You will need to review the summaries and logs and sign them both, if you agree. If there are discrepancies, please review them with your mentee. If issue cannot be resolved, please contact the course instructor. Just to clarify the midterm and final mentor feedback forms, you will need to complete both feedback forms. The midterm feedback form must be completed by week 7, and the final capstone evaluation form, please, no later than week 14. These forms will be provided to you by your student and are used to evaluate the student's work and behavior. The student will not be permitted to complete the course without satisfactory completion of the required 45 hours of practice experience. So, I would like to explain the student responsibilities to you. It is the student's responsibility to identify an organizational setting and mentor willing to commit to participate in the practice experience. The student is encouraged to complete the practice experience in the organization where employed. However, the description of the project experience must not conflict with that of the employee role. As for the capstone project, the student is to complete the mentor approval assignment during the first week of the capstone course. The student can begin the project as soon as approval is received from the course faculty. The capstone practice experience must be completed prior to the end of the term. The capstone course is 15 weeks long. The student is to comply with all college and organization requirements and pertinent policies, procedures, and regulations during the project experience, including those related to privacy, confidentiality, licensure, professional liability, and health and safety standards. Confidentiality extends to all information the student gleans from interactions during the project and extends after the capstone project experience. The student is expected to display appropriate professional and social behaviors. As far as communication expectations, it is the student's responsibility to develop a schedule with you to meet course and project commitments. This schedule should include meetings with you and attending experiences relevant to the project objectives. The student is expected to notify you in a timely manner when there are any schedule changes and to promptly notify the course faculty and the mentor, if indicated, of any changes in the approved plan or concerns about the project experience. The student is responsible for providing you with the 3 points of contact forms and for submitting the completed and signed form to the course assignments area. If any issues or concerns arise, please contact the course instructor or the School of Nursing. Thank you for serving as a mentor for the Excelsior College Bachelor's Degree in Nursing program. I hope that the experience is as beneficial for you and your organization as it will be for your student mentee. You can contact the School of Nursing at son-cours@excelsior.edu. Good luck and have fun.